You are going to love the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.